There are three types of people in the world. Number one are the poor. Now, these are people who are always looking for money. They're always thinking about money and looking for money. These are people who live in lack. They always don't have enough. And all they are thinking about is money. All they are chasing is money. Their entire life and their thinking is all about the money. That is one kind of people. The second type of people in this world are the rich. Now, these are the middle class people. These are people with nice jobs, with good salaries. These are people who think about acquiring stuff, material stuff. They buy the nice cars, they buy the nice houses, they go on holiday, they are always out partying. These are the people who live an average life. That's the second kind of people. And the third kind of people are the wealth people. Now, these are people who think about ideas. These are people who are always developing ideas and execute or take action on those ideas and build stuff and build empires and build businesses. They build their ideas, and in the end, these ideas bring in money and material things. Those are the wealth people. I brought this to your attention to awaken you. Please shift from the poor people and the rich people and cross over to the wealth people. What do I mean by this? Start developing ideas. Start thinking about ideas. If you think about ideas and execute those ideas, the money will come and even the material things will come. That's my tip for today. See you in the next one.